Hi, I'm Megan Gamenden, and today we're going to be talking about fraction multiplication. So, to start, the definition of multiplication is combining many groups of the same size and then counting the total result. So the problem that we're going to use to explain this is 2/7 times 3/5. And what that means is we're going to be looking at 2/7 groups of 3/5 of a candy bar, because everybody likes candy bars. So here I drew out our candy bar, and we'll be initially focusing on these vertical 5 chunks here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifths right here. And you'll see here that lightly shaded in this box here, I shaded 3/5, 3 of these total 3/5 in the whole. And so first we're going to be trying to find the denominator because we're going to multiply. And so we already have these 5 pieces that I outlined here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we need to cut them into 7 more pieces to get a universal whole. And so here you see I have cut across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces in that way. And so this becomes 5 times 7 pieces to make this entire whole. 5 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 times 7 for the denominator because we're looking at the entire whole, and the denominator represents the entire whole of this group. Now we're going to shift up and we're going to look at the numerator, and the numerator is the shaded portion. That's what we care about. And so initially we have 3 of the fifths shaded, but now we're looking at the sevenths as well. So we're going to say 3 times 2 because we care about 2 of these 7 rows. And so in each row there are 3 across. And if you look down, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but we only care about 2 of these 7ths, as stated here. 2 of these 7ths and of these 3/5 across here, which is why I have this boxed in. So this part is shaded extra dark because that is our numerator here. And so for visual aid and for comparison, you can see this is our numerator here. This is our chunk or sliver of our pieces, and this is the entire whole broken into all of its universal bits. And so here's our numerator written out down here, denominator here, 5 times 7, 3 times 2. We write it out as one fraction, 2 times 3 on the top, 7 times 5 on the bottom. You can actually split them apart into 2/7 and 3/5. Same thing, we just made the divide here. And if you look up here, it's the same exact thing. This process is identical, which explains why when you're multiplying fractions, you can multiply straight across.